What's the meaning of brindled? Brindled. Brindled.
Brindled. Brindled. Brindled is an adjective that describes something that has streaks, spots, or patches of different colors, usually brown or gray. The term is typically used to describe the coats of animals, especially dogs and cats. Brindled coats are often a mix of light and dark hairs, creating a variegated or mottled effect. This coloring is caused by a genetic mutation in the melanin pigment production process. Animals with brindled coats can be found in many breeds across the world, including boxers, bulldogs, greyhounds, and pit bulls. These coats are often seen as unique and beautiful, adding to the charm of the animal.